fold in half, and we want to fold starting pivoting from corner here, lower left, and bring the lower right corner to reach this point, like that. And this is again starting from lower left corner and bring this lower right to this line. And we just want to make a horizontal fold where the fold starts from this intersection. And this one will be our ruler. We'll be using the long side. Take another piece and just slit this in underneath until it reaches the edge here. Remember, this is the long side, this is the short. Just use the long side. And we want to fold this edge to meet with this ruler. And turn it, open it up and turn the other way. And repeat the same. And now we'll have this with a gap. Fold from this one to the top. This is a diagonal fold, so it's the lower left to the upper right. Open, and we want to orient like this. Start a fold from this edge here, this corner, and bring this edge at the bottom to the line. And it's basically just an angular bisector. And you will notice that this corner will reach the edge of the paper. Turn around, repeat the same. And now we will have a slit here. Rotate this and rotate it horizontally. Flip horizontally, and bring this point to the upper point here. And we'll have this kind of shape. Open this up and open this here. We just want to fold an angular bisector which goes this angle here, like this. And fold it back. Repeat here. And refold this one. Now we just want to fold this down along this edge, like this. And you will see that it actually forming some sort of forming a triangle. Turn over and repeat the same step. Now open this up. We just want to fold this in, and you need to place at the back. It will be just like a diamond shape. We have the extra flap, fold it in, put it behind. Same thing, fold this in, tuck it behind, and this one will be 1 unit.